This is my friend Zach.
What's up?
He flips over stuff. What kind of stuff do you flip over, dude?
Anything.
Anything? What the heck? He can flip over this car.
Yeah, we'll find a bird right now and flip over that or something.
He can flip over this car. He can flip over like that building.
Yeah, I can get the building.
Yeah, you can. Hey. Triple threat. What's up, dude?
Chilling. What's going on? I'm Jay Beats. I do wheelies for a living.
You do wheelies?
Yeah, that's right.
That's your ride?
That's my baby.
This is a dope ride. Look at that.
Thank you very much. I'm ready. Ready to ride. Yeah.
Mr. J Beats.
That's it.
I'm so short. You have to like
do all that.
bend down.
There we go.
All right. So where are we going right now?
Over to the spot.
It's called the spot. Why is it called the spot?
It's called the spot because that's where we practice, or the track, whichever you like. We go there just to, you know, improve your skills before you take it to the street.
I've never ridden a two-wheeled vehicle ever in my life.
Well, you're about to.
I'm excited.
It's gonna be a new thing. There we go.
Follow Mr. J.
Oh, I gotta play my turn up song. Let's check out his Mr. JP. Like a jersey.
Do that again.
Here we go.
Motorcycle before.
Get excited!
No. Motorcycle guy. I don't know why, but he wants to do it. Zach, when are you gonna jump over him?
I'm about to do it right now.
I'm ready.
I feel good right now. I'm a little tired, but
you're crazy. You're crazy.
I'm a little crazy.
What are you, Zach? What's up? What are you doing? What are you doing? What are you doing? witness? Like, what the heck just happened?
That was epic. That was crazy. His hops are out of control.
It was
that was
crazy.
dope.
What were you doing? You were like mid-air. You were kind of like.
I was in the burnout trying to concentrate, RPMs high, and then all of a sudden he just came in with the flip. It was dope.
And I caught that on camera.
Yeah, you did. You got it.
It was amazing.
You got it.
guys are so cool.
Thank you.
Oh my
Thank
gosh.
you.
Wait, can we learn some cool tricks?
You could do spreaders.
Okay.
You can go over the bar.
I don't know what that means, but let's try it.
Okay.
I'm down. Let's try it.
Kind of like sit side saddle.
Like this.
Yep. Sit side saddle. So 1, 2, 3.
Woo! Like that?
Nice.
Okay.
Yep. Put one leg over first.
One leg over.
Yep. Now
Here,
put
like
the
that?
other one over. Yep. Right here, you don't need that.
Here?
Yep. And then you can hold on right there.
Okay.
Like, that's a cool one. You want to try it?
Yeah.
This is called a high
all I
chair.
do is just sit on the motorcycle like this.
That's it.
Okay. What do we?
And I do the work.
Are we gonna go up?
Yeah, if you'd like to.
Okay.
It's called a wheelie.
Okay.
There we go.
Well, I'm shaking. Like literally, my body's in shock.
You did good.
I'm in shock.
You looked awesome.
Oh, that was so cool.
Here you go.
All right, guys, thank you so much for coming to this and being a part of this video.
Hey, thank you for having me.
Yeah, thank you.
All right, this is J Beats, Mr._J Beats signing off.
Hey, what's up? This is Zachary Taylor. Follow me on Instagram. It's Black Zach. BLACKZACC. 2 C's on that.
And we're gonna collaborate again, so
Yes.
you guys will definitely be seeing these two again.
That's
All
right.
right, bye.
See you later. Peace.
Yeah.